Alright, we're on Bruce Street. We're on the Bruce Street court. They finna race. You guys can't see. We got Hara, Jimmy, Dun Dun, Ty, Argero. They about to race. See who's the fastest OYB. Y'all ready? Alright. Ready, set, go! What happened? What the fuck? Okay, what happened? What happened? You guys go again, cause. Alright, who won? Alright, you guys go again. Go again, this way. Now I'm gonna go down, y'all run to me.
What the heck? Almost fucking fell.
So they can see y'all. Y'all stay there. You four.
Boy, I think it was freaking. We were just going out.
What do you call this? How far is this, huh? What is this, 40-yard dash right here? Which one is 40 yards dash? 40-yard dash. Next to the car?
That's a 40.
Say less. Alright, fuck it then. Whoever passes me right here, then they win.
It's only 10-3.
Alright, let's go, Hara. Go, go, go. You are? Okay. Wave. Walk up, walk. Alright. Get back online. Okay, esa burra que había abajo.
It's turning off. The horse is right there.
You what? You guys say ready, set, go.
Hey, y'all ready? Let me know when y'all ready. Jimmy?
Oh.
Ah.
Do it. Get. There's too many Nickens.
Ready? Yeah. Fuck you. Get your ass out of here. On your mark. Get set, go!
Oh shit, Hara won. Hara. Hara won. No, you're fast, bro. You just gassed.
It's okay though.
You're fast, man.
Yeah, I'm slow at OIB.
Hey, dab my phone up. Dab it up. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go so we can drop off Hara and go pick up the workers. Somebody left their phone over there.
How'd you left yours?
Somebody bring my shoes? They're over there. Shit, good run. Good run.
Keep running, you'll get injection in your body.
Damn, so you're faster than Dun Dun?
Who?
You. Shit.
Oh, you thought he was faster?
Yeah, I thought he was faster.
You thought wrong.
I thought wrong.
Oh, man.
Peace out.